Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie. I hope you all are doing good. If you're new here, then do consider subscribing, and if you're already subscribed, then thank you so much for watching. So recently I purchased some products from Nykaa and I just thought of showing it to you all so that if there is any product which you would like to buy, then this video might help you. So without further ado, let's just get on to the video. So the first product which I'm going to show is my favorite, and that is nothing but the nail polish. And you can see these are very pretty colors and all of it are from the brand L18, and let me just show you one by one. This one is more like a peach pink kind of shade and the number is 160, and the second shade is a purple shade and that is the one which I have applied, and the number is 163. The third shade is a blue shade and this is more like a navy blue but definitely a brighter version of it. I'm not sure if you can see. So yeah, this is how it looks, and if you don't have a blue color, then this is something which you must have. It's a very beautiful shade and number is 57. And the fourth one is this shade. This is more like a sea green kind of shade and the number is 155. This is the only product which I'm little bit disappointed because in the product images in Nykaa, the color of it was little bit brighter version of bluish green. So that one is what I expected it to be, but then this is a lighter version of it. But anyways, I'm yet to try it. I just hope it looks good as a single color, and in case if I don't like the color much, then maybe I'll just mix and match with other color and do some sort of nail art, and that should be fine. And each of it is priced at ₹55 only, and I think that's very reasonable, and you have lot of color ranges under this brand, so you can go and check out that. And the second product which I got is a foundation, and this is from the brand Nykaa. The name of it is Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation, and this is in the shade Warm Sand, and this is the first time I'm trying out Nykaa foundation, and that is what I've applied today and I found it good. So this is how it looks from inside, and there is no pump as such. It's just that you will have to just open it and you can just squeeze it out. And this was priced at ₹575. So the third product is something which I bought after ages, and that is the lip gloss, and this is from the brand Miss Claire, and I think I stopped using the lip gloss after the matte lipsticks came into picture, and I still remember that at one point of time lip gloss were very much in fashion. Everybody used to have it. Now it's again back in trend, and that reminded me to have at least one in my kit, so I got this one, and the shade number of this is 116, and this was priced at ₹119 only, and the shade is more like a light peach, and if you smudge it, no, this will look like a transparent one also. There was a transparent version of course, but that was a bit expensive, and I just felt that peach is more like a neutral shade, so should not be a problem. So you can see it's a peach kind of shade right now, and I just tried smudging it and it became a very much translucent kind of shade. So I think this shade will be more like a multi-purpose for me now, because I can either use just this or I can use it as a top coat for most of my lipstick shades. It's mentioned as matte and pearly gloss, and I tried applying it and I just felt that it's very much light on the lips, because earlier the lip gloss, some of it which I tried used to feel very heavy on the lips and it would feel very like greasy on the lips, but then this one felt little light, so that way I just liked it. By the way, there were many shades in this lip gloss, and if you don't have a lip gloss and you want to try one, then I think you can try out this brand. So the next product are eyelashes, and this time I tried out two different brands. The first one is Swiss Beauty Eyelash, and the name of it is Icy, and this is more like a thick and dramatic eyelashes which I don't have, so I thought of going for this one. And the best part is it was priced at just ₹89, which I think is very reasonable. The second eyelashes are from Pro Arte Eyelashes, and the number of it is 006, and this was priced at ₹180. So the next product is eyelash curler, and this is from the brand Bare Essentials. It was priced at just ₹130, and I don't have an eyelash curler with me yet because I'm a little scared that I might end up hurting my eyes. So I just thought of going for a very reasonable one, so that in case if I'm still not able to overcome my phobia, then I'll not regret spending too much on an eyelash curler. And the review of this was decent enough, so I opted for this one. So the next product is a makeup fixer, and this is from the brand Swiss Beauty. It was priced at $237, and there were two reasons to get this. One is definitely to set the makeup, like after applying the makeup, just spray it on your face. It will make the makeup stay longer and will also not get easily transferred on your outfit. And second reason is, like, when you want your eyeshadow color to pop out really well, what you can do is just spray this on the eyeshadow brush and then take the color, so it will be more pigmented. So so that way it will help. So these are the two reasons why I got this one. So the next product which I got is a beauty blender, and it was priced at rupees 160. So this is the second time I am buying a beauty blender from Bronson brand, and I think for the price paid, the quality is very much decent enough. So the next set of products are basically essentials, and in that I got this Lakme Iconic Kajal, and it's been years since I'm using this, and I have tried a lot of other brands like Maybelline, Colossal, Himalaya and all, but I never found it that comfortable, because I just feel that if I apply this one, it stays for longer, and at the same time it's easy to remove also. Like, I don't want that issue where the kajal keeps coming out of my eye for next 3-4 days. So I just feel that this is very easy to remove also, and at the same time it stays for longer time. So that is the reason I prefer this one. And I usually buy this combo pack, like the twin pack as it is mentioned, and the price of it is just rupees 260, which I think is a good deal, because one kajal you are getting for hardly 130 rupees, which is not the case with other brands. So the next product is Garnier Micellar Water, and this is definitely an important product to remove the makeup, and mine got over, so I had to restock it, and it was priced at rupees 199. So the next product which I got is cotton pads for removing the makeup, and this is from the brand Tulips, and it was priced at rupees 64, and you get 50 pieces in this. The last product is wet wipes, and this is again from Tulips brand, and in this you get 20 wipes for rupees 48. And this I don't prefer using that much, but I got it for one important reason, that after doing the makeup, like especially the eye makeup, usually the glitter chunks or the fallouts are usually there. So this will really help in removing it off and then just covering my face with the foundation. So that is the reason I got this one. So that is it guys, we have come to the end of this video. I have shown you all the products which I purchased from Nykaa recently, and I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, then please like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, then my Instagram handle will be somewhere here. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. And everybody used to have it back in the day, and now. Darling, please sit. No, I see. And this is more. Sorry. If you want, please be quiet. What's the time? It's 2:30, yaar. Sleep no people, yaar. At 2:30 in the night also you have to bark over. There is some other dog which has come to this territory, and they are just trying to send her away. So this thing is going on for almost like an hour now. I'm just thinking, should I stop filming today and do it tomorrow? बट इतनी मुश्किल से तैयार हुई हूँ, आई लैशेस भी लगाया मैंने. वेट करूँगी. लेट देम बार्क फॉर सम मोर टाइम. डार्लिंग सिट. Chupla sit. Chupla sit. By the way, there were many shades. The moment I start speaking, they have to talk on the part. Tuko. The next product. Dogs are not stopping to bark today, so I'm going to continue with the video. I'll add some background music so that it's bearable.